So here's my lawnmower repower. It's a Murray 22-inch push mower that originally came with a Briggs Stratton 450E 4.5 horsepower engine with the plastic carburetor. And I bought this lawnmower about 2 years ago, and ever since then it's just become unreliable to the point where I had to make a decision to replace it. So I decided to, rather than get a new lawnmower, I'd repower this with another engine. And so what I decided to do is I bought a Honda GCV135 4.5 horsepower engine, and it's almost a direct fit. It used the same mounting holes and bolts, so it just bolted right in. And the output shaft is 7/8 diameter on both engines. So I used the same blade adapter, but I had to use some spacers to make up the difference on the blade height. But all in all, it was a simple fit. And the 4.5, the Briggs Stratton was a fixed idle engine, whereas the Honda is set up for remote throttle control. So I had to install a new throttle control, and the engine came with the setup already for the choke, but I didn't like the way the setup was. So what I did was I removed the choke rod from the factory linkage, and I put in a piece of throttle cable similar to the setup that they use on the pressure washers to control the choke. So this has really turned out to be a real keeper. What I'll do is I'll just start the engine up. And here's the choke control, and with one pull it should start. So now, to set up the engine, I used a digital tachometer to set the governor controls, the governor control, and the throttle control for the low idle, set at 1700, as you can see, and then the max RPM. The max RPM is set at 3100, give or take a few RPM. So this digital tachometer was a real it was a great tool to use to set up the engine. So, but anyway, this whole arrangement is a real keeper. And I'm pretty happy with it. I should get several years of service out of this. So anyway, I just thought I'd record this. Thanks for watching.